All right, hello everyone. Dav here from My Automation Tips. Let's talk about integrating email into your board. All right, let's get right into it. You may have your board set up, especially a lot of people use it for CRM, and so you want to manage your emails coming in and your replies and such. To do that, we can go into Integrate in the top right corner of the screen. Then you can search for your mail provider. In this case, we're going to use Gmail. And then you have these things like this that come in. Your mail comes in over here, or obviously you have the opposite as well. So you can send an email out and automate some of that process. Pretty useful when you want to do like automated replies, let's say using for a ticketing system or just an acknowledgement email. Quite useful. We're going to go ahead and select one of these. Like that. We're going to use my business email. In this case, we're going to go email. And this is where it's not the most obvious thing in the world, but if you go down this drop down, that's where you can put different criteria in here. So only if the sender is this person or receiver is this person or has this sort of data in it. I tend to use the body. I've built ticketing systems, and I have an automated system that grabs the emails. That's a bit different, but then when I reply to it, I send a reply and it has the item ID in there. I'll show that in a separate video on how to set that up. We're going to go ahead and select body and then includes, and you add a value. So here you can add different field in case you want to send information, like maybe it's a weekly update or something like that to your team members. Really useful stuff. In this case, we're going to go last updated. And then let's just add the item name. And we're going to go ahead and click done. This email column. So if you had an email address that's in a text column or in a email column, you can grab that. You can see you can choose either the text column or the email column. And that means that it's only going to grab emails from your contacts that you have added in your board there. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and add board, or add to board even. You want to be adding a board for every email. That's going to be a really painful process. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and close. And now when an email comes in that meets that criteria, it will come into your items. Actual criteria I put in, I'm not going to be able to match. So if I go back into my email here, we're going to say body includes app. Go ahead, done. Update integration. Now what happens is send an email. Right, through the magic of video editing one more time. There we go. You can see I got a little plus there for a conversation. And then you can see my email again as an update. There you go. One thing to note with this, if you have that same email on a bunch of items, every item will get an update. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to get it so it only comes to that single item. All right, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.